Hello lovely people, how are you guys doing? What's up? So in today's video we're gonna be doing something different. I'm so excited for this one because I'm gonna be doing something different. Lately I've been watching so many of those Vogue makeup tutorials that famous people do. I'm obsessed with those kind of videos. They're so much fun. I'm sure that if you're watching makeup tutorials, YouTube has definitely suggested those Vogue makeup tutorials to you. I'm sure that most of you guys have actually seen them. They're so popular, and I don't know what it is about them, but they're so entertaining. It's just so fun to watch how different people do their makeup. In today's video we're gonna try to follow the makeup tutorial of DOJA Cat because she's fun, she's cool. I remember actually watching her video a few months ago, so I can't really remember exactly what she was doing, but I remember that watching that video I was like, whoa, that's a really cool way to do your makeup. I want to try it out too, but I never did until today. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. Let me start the video. So first, she's starting off with her skincare routine and stuff. We're gonna skip that. We're gonna just jump right into the makeup.
I travel with all of these products, but I put it in like a box.
Whoa!
And
that's a lot of stuff.
But it works. First, with my makeup, I color correct. I go in to this.
I'm gonna use just my color corrector.
Becca.
I don't have the one that she uses, so
I do my foundation next, and I use Fenty.
I have the Fenty foundation, but I don't have my shade, so I'm gonna mix the shade 160 with the shade 120.
I go over my eye, I go over my eyelashes, I don't go over my brows.
Basically everywhere except for the brows. Got it.
So I put concealer. I use Fenty.
I have 3 Fenty Beauty concealers. I've had these for quite some time, and again, I don't have my shade. I have 3 shades, but none of them match me. What's new?
Just make a little bow under my eye.
Little boat, okay.
And then I do a little soul patch, like a villain, like a Disney villain.
I need to pause it. Oh my god, it's going so quickly. I don't know why, but I feel like I'm in a rush. I have that feeling that when I pause her, she's actually waiting for me to be done with what I'm doing so that we can keep on moving. And that's making me really nervous.
The next step, this Laura Mercier powder is my daddy. So I go in with my sponge.
It makes me so happy when I actually have the product that she has. Is that a lot? Is that too much? Is that too little? I don't know. Are we baking? What are we doing? Doja, explain. Alright. I got it. I think she's just setting her cheeks right here and under her eyes. Oh, that looks flawless. It does look like I have makeup on, definitely, but it's really flawless.
This fluffy eyeshadow brush, like a blending brush.
Wait, Doja, wait for me, Doja, wait. I kind of feel like this is a 10-minute makeup challenge. I don't know why. I never bake under my eyes. I sometimes do, I call it mini baking, but rarely that much powder. Almost clean. And we flick it
Out, like this. I try not to swipe it onto my face or push it down.
Didn't even notice. I don't know the lyrics. Sorry.
I take this foundation brush. It's kind of flat like that. I just massage it.
Okay, foundation brush and we massage that. Foundation brush and we massage that. Foundation brush and we massage that. Massaging. That kind of feels good.
Whatever's kind of left over, swirl that around and just put that down.
The forehead? No? I'm on the forehead too.
Close this. Shake it. Rub it. I take this and I get a lot.
Wait. That's a lot of powder.
I just baked and you can see I created a cheekbone.
Yeah, she's right. Hold on, give me a second because my lips are the driest. Dry. The dry. That dry. I don't know what I just said. Okay? It's kind of weird. She always contours with bronzer. Alright, I think that she's using the one by Fenty Beauty. I don't have that one, but I'm gonna use the one by Too Faced. That's too much.
And I go under my lip, and this kind of creates like a shadow. And then I go under my chin, take it down into like my nose, but I start from here, create that shadow.
My brush is way too big for this. She uses a smaller brush and it's fitting in this area of her eyes, but mine is like way too huge. That's how I clean my brushes, okay? Don't judge. You can try it, it works. Am I doing this right? DOJA, I know that this is edited, but I just need more information here. What are we supposed to do in this area here? Is that how it's supposed to look? I should probably pretend that I know what I'm doing. I've never actually tried applying bronzer in this area of my face right here.
Next, I do my blush.
I think that she's using a NARS blush, but I'm gonna use my ColourPop one.
And just work on the edges, and I bring my blush up. Just start packing it onto my nose, and I scrub it. I scrub my nose pretty much.
I look like somebody punched me in the nose.
And then I like to get a little bit on my lips.
Wait, I have a lip balm on.
I focus on my outer area because it just looks better on me.
Hey, I really like that, using bronzer as an eyeshadow. I actually do that in the summer. Oh no, we are adding more blush. Oh no, I don't have liquid blush, so I'm gonna use this one here by Milk Makeup.
Just pat it on my nose. And right on top, you can also, what's great is you can put liquid blush on top of powder.
I didn't thought I would say that, but that looks so good. Usually when I'm doing my makeup, I would avoid applying liquid or cream products on top of my powder that I already have on my face, because it can start looking muddy, it can start looking cakey, it can start looking weird. But looking at my skin up close, it doesn't look weird at all. How? I have so much product on my face and still it looks like skin. My nose is itchy. What's next? It looks like she's using a very creamy, very soft eyebrow pencil. All of my eyebrow pencils are so dry and so crusty, but I'm gonna use this one here by Benefit Brow Contour Pro.
Fine angle brush. I used a cream eyeliner.
Wait, hold on. Did she say that she's using a cream eyeliner? That explains a lot. That explains why she can move it around. Because eyebrow pencils are dry. You can't smudge them once you put them on. At least the eye pencil that I have here. And except for this one by Benefit, it's really creamy.
This one just really creates like a fake hair moment.
How? How did she do that?
I'm trying to do it fast for you guys, but this takes me an hour and a half maybe sometimes.
Oh my god, I can relate.
If I have time, I will take my time.
Yes. Oh my god, this is so relatable. She just explained exactly how I feel about my brows. If I have an hour and a half to do my brows, I would enjoy every single second of it. Right, I'm back with my brows on. I spent exactly 17 minutes on my brows. Some people do their whole face for 17 minutes.
Then this is my favorite part.
Ooh.
I take my powder and I shake it up, and then I put the powder over my brows. When you mattify them, it just looks more real. You get the color to come out.
You convinced me. Say no more. Never tried baking my brows, but I'm here for it. Oh god. Kinda look like my grandfather. My lashes are covered in powder. Can you guys see? I feel like I applied a lot more powder than needed. Ooh. Ooh, when I move my eyebrows... When I'm moving my... Okay, I need to stop laughing. My makeup will crease. Okay, so when I'm moving my eyebrows... When I'm moving my eyebrows, like, check it out. I can see a powder falling down, and from my perspective, it's like it's raining powder. I don't know if you can see that through the camera. It's so funny though. Anyways, what are we doing next? What she's using, is she using a fan brush? That's a fan brush. I need a fan brush. Do I have a fan brush? Oh, I have one. Alright.
I go under, over, and then I just start doing this little kind of beat.
Let's see what she did again, because I don't think that I'm doing it right.
I go under, over, and then I just start doing this little
and then
kind of beat.
I need to take a closer look. Okay, it definitely lightened up my brows. They're not shiny anymore, but my hairs up close look gray, and in some areas that removed some of the brow gel that I I was applying for 17 minutes. 17 whole minutes. I mean, if I keep on rubbing that brush, I can see the powder just fading away, but also the brow gel is fading away as well. Maybe it's the brow gel that I used. Maybe her eye pencil that she used works much better with this technique. Okay, give me 17 more minutes to touch up my brows and I'm gonna be back. Why my nose is so itchy all day today? It's itchy right here, this area. It's so annoying. Anyways, this has been a roller coaster. I think that this is actually a really cool trick. But after you dust off that powder from your face, take a brow gel. I used the Benefit Gimme Brow and oh my god, my brow hairs look so fluffy. They look so much better. I also run some clear brow gel just to put the hairs in place. This is going to make them look shiny again. Sorry, DOJA. So, DOJA, what's next?
So this is Cover Effects. It's like a cream highlight.
I don't have that one by Cover Effects, but I have this one here by Mesauda. This is an Italian brand, and I think that this is pretty similar actually.
I put it on my nose, put it here, and it dries so fast.
Yes, that's the glow we like here. I like how she's not skipping the details.
I just put a little bit, and I do my chin as well. You can bring the blush onto the top lip, and it can kind of make you look like you had a popsicle or something.
She applies her eyeliner after she has her mascara on. That makes it way more difficult. I mean, it depends actually, because sometimes you can get eyeliner on your lashes, and when you try to coat them with mascara, it's all clumpy and nah, you know. I like how I'm explaining stuff. It kind of makes sense, but it's also a little bit more difficult to do it that way.
I just take my blush and
Blush.
I take it, I swirl
Again.
it.
Alright. Okay, so we're taking a little bit more blush and we're adding that to the crease. I'm loving this pink vibe that we have going on. It's a lot of blush, I'm not gonna lie, but I'm liking it. It looks cute. Oh, she's adding freckles. I don't have that Freck product because every time I try to buy it, it's out of stock. Can we do something about that? Because I really want to try it out. I guess I'm just gonna use a brow gel for this. I love freckles so much, but I don't like how I did them today because I feel like they look a little bit too fake, you know? They look like I drew them on my face. They don't look real. My brow gel was like super dry, so I couldn't spread them and apply them properly, but that's okay. That's fine.
This is just a loose eyeshadow, and it looks like this. Reflects a blue, but then also like a deep pink.
Reflects blue, but also deep pink. Do I have something like that? I found these two eyeshadows that are kind of similar to what she's wearing. I'm gonna apply them both. Oh my god, she applies her eyeshadows after she's done her eyeliner, her falsies. I'm kind of scared to do that, but let's see. That's so different than what I would usually do. I'll have everything that I'm using listed down in the description box. I don't want to bring that on my eyeliner. I'm almost certain that this is not available anymore because this was sent to me like 3 years ago, this one. I don't know if it's safe to use it now, but it's pretty and I'm gonna use it.
It's a little colorful moment.
That's actually really pretty. Ooh. And it's actually very similar to what she's wearing. I mean, hers is a little bit darker.
So I take this sort of deep mauve, like that, like you're not really wearing anything.
That actually looks more pink. Hold on, let me see if I can find something more deep mauve like the one that she used.
That's it. That's pretty much the Doja Cat look. We did a little peacock moment on the eye.
What do you guys think of the end result? It doesn't get more e-girl than this. I really like this lipstick thing. It looks like I had strawberries. I actually had strawberries with yogurt and honey. So good. The freckles are really bothering me because I think that I overdid them. They're too large and too fake. I already said that. They look fake. My fake freckles look too fake and I'm not happy with that. The technique of adding powder on the brows, that was something so different for me. Yeah, I don't think that it will be something that I'm gonna add to my makeup routine. It might work great for some of you. I encourage you to try it out. But for me, I don't think that it's something that I'm gonna keep on doing. I've also seen other people actually setting their brows with powder and saying that it's like, wow, it's super cool and it works great for them. So I might try it out with less product because I went a little bit crazy, I'm not gonna lie. I chose to follow DOJA's cat makeup tutorial because in her music videos you can see that she likes playing with makeup and trying out different eye looks and stuff. Once someone is into makeup, you can really see it. You can really like sense it. And as I also said at the beginning, I watched a few of those Vogue makeup tutorials and she was one of the very few that you could sense her enthusiasm while she was doing her makeup. You could feel that she was excited to do her makeup, and I like people like that. I just want to remind you guys that if you want to be notified whenever I post a new video, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also press the bell button, which is right next to the subscribe button, because that's how you let YouTube know that, hey, I want to get a notification when Danny is posting a new video. Okay? What else? Oh yeah, I'm also on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and if you guys want to check out some more of my videos, here are some suggestions. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye! Hey, that was so much fun.